For years, every device seemed to need a different charger. One for your phone, another for your laptop, another for your headphones. Then suddenly, everything started switching to USB-C. But what exactly is it? And why was everyone forced to use it? Old USB cables were annoying. They were slow, limited, and somehow always upside down the first time. USB-C was designed to fix all of that. USB-C is a type of connector, not a brand, not a charger, not a cable standard by itself. It's the small oval-shaped port you now see on modern devices. Unlike older USB connectors, USB-C is reversible. That means there's no wrong side. You can plug it in either way. But USB-C does much more than charging. A single USB-C cable can carry power, data, audio, video, and even internet signals, all through one port. USB-C can also deliver far more power than older USB systems, enough to charge phones, tablets, gaming devices, and even powerful laptops. It's also much faster. Some USB-C connections can transfer massive files in seconds, making older USB types feel ancient. Before USB-C, electronics companies used different charging ports for everything. That created huge amounts of electronic waste. People constantly bought new cables, new adapters, and new chargers. So why was everyone suddenly forced to switch? Because regulators stepped in, especially in Europe. The European Union pushed for a universal charging standard to reduce waste and make life easier for consumers. And USB-C became the chosen standard. Even Apple, which used its own Lightning connector for years, eventually switched to USB-C. Not because they wanted to at first, but because the industry was moving in that direction. But here's something most people don't know. Not all USB-C cables are equal. Some only charge, some support fast charging, some transfer data faster, and some can output high-resolution video. They may look identical, while working very differently. USB-C is becoming the universal connection for modern electronics. One cable for almost everything. What looked like just another charger was actually a complete redesign of how devices connect. Now you know.